Good morning. It is Thursday morning here on Delos, and we are still in the beautiful island of Dominica. Yesterday on a dive we saw not one but two seahorses, so it's been super cool. We only have a few more days here and then we are moving on, but we have some exciting news to share with you guys. Mornings.
Good morning.
How's it going?
Good, just chilling, enjoying the view. Morning coffee and stuff.
Nice.
And talking about upcoming plans, because remember how I proposed to Kazza in Sweden a few months ago? Well, we've set a date and a place, and we're gonna get married over the holidays in Antigua. And so we've hired an amazing wedding planner. His name is Senor Brady. If you can imagine what that's gonna be like. And we're just stoked.
Yeah. And it's really cool because most of our family is flying in as well, which is kind of rare. Like, we rarely get together, all of us. And yeah, it's just going to be very special to have everybody there and to be able to spend some time together and just celebrate. Yeah.
Big celebration.
Yeah, it's going to be really cool.
I want a white linen suit.
Okay.
We'll get that right. See what's going on down here. Morning, guys.
Oh, hello there.
You ready for the adventure today?
Getting there, getting the cameras packed up.
Nice. Hello.
Hi.
What are you doing in here?
Just finishing up my Kiwi breakfast.
Licking your plate?
Yeah.
Nice.
I heard you guys talking about plans, huh?
Yes.
Alright.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Can't believe Brian and Karen are finally getting married. It's about damn time. It's been a long time coming, but so stoked and so happy for them. And I get to marry them too? What the? Jeez, I don't even know what I'm gonna say. I kind of have to be serious or something. I don't know. But yeah, it's cool, and the timing couldn't be more perfect because all of our family's getting together in Antigua, and we've never had all of our family together like this, so it's gonna be so much fun. And also, we just released our season finale of last season, so we have a bunch of really cool footage that we're gonna start editing for this season, the past like 2 months or so. And I think we decided we're gonna focus on like family and editing the footage and going through it for the next like month or so, and then start in January with a fresh new year and a new season of Delos episodes. So the next couple weeks we'll be putting out random things, especially for patrons, like little updates and stuff. And then of course you can still follow on Instagram for live updates and real-time stuff. But we're gonna go focus on family and editing. Man, I can't even remember the last time. We've done Thanksgiving a lot and like summers and stuff, but it's been years and years since I've had Christmas with the family.
That's too long.
I know, it's exciting. I'm so excited to like really focus on family, because the older you get, the more you realize they're so important and they're priority number one.
True
so,
that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go enjoy the day.
All right, let's do it.